Hello, this is my demonstration of my task manager application written in Kotlin. So as you can see, as you start, it asks you to either log in or register. I could try to log in, but there aren't any users in this file, so it actually won't work. So I have to register first. I'll just do my name, and that's my username. So here there are 4 things you can do. You can either enter some tasks, or get the tasks you have, or try to finish tasks, or just quit. I'm going to start by entering tasks. So this first one will be called homework. The description, I'll just say complete all programming homework. And that's saved. And I can add more, but when I'm done, I just type done. And then that's when I can actually get my tasks. It tells you what the name is and the description of all of them. And then once I finished it, I can type the number of the one that I'm done with. So I'm done with homework, so I'll do that, confirm, and it removed it for me. So as you can probably guess, this is done with just a bunch of files, text files. This first one is called users.txt. It's generated automatically by the code. I'll show you where in a bit, but don't really have to worry about that one. This one, there is a text file made for every single user. So if there's a user in here, there should be a text file for them. If there's not, it'll be created automatically when they add tasks. So here's the actual meat of the program. So it just uses basic input, output for the command line. There are a few functions on here to make it easier, and I did create a task class which takes just the name of the task, and then once it's instantiated, it prompts to get the description, and that's stored in there as well. And so when you go to get the string, this is how it returns it, just like that. So after you've registered and it's written your name to this users.txt, then it'll sign you in, and you can do one of these 4 things. So the first one is to enter a task. This one's done with a loop that takes a task name and then creates a task, which obviously prompts for the description. And while it's doing that, it actually appends the get string of that task to your personal one. So it'll just end up here, and I'll also add a white space. And once you've got a few tasks in there, you can maybe choose to look at them. That's done with this function. So it takes a username, then it opens the file if it exists. If it doesn't, it just says that you don't have any tasks. But what it does is it just loops through them and displays them in this formatted way, so you can easily see which ones you have. Then finally, the last one you can do is to finish any tasks. This one is a lot like get tasks, except it only prints out the name of the task and then asks you if you've done any of them. And if you put in, say you had 3 tasks and you put in 2, it'll get rid of this. It'll get rid of that one and then write it back to the file. So that's the functionality of it. The way it does it, at least for the main loop of the actions you can do, it uses a when loop. A when statement, which is basically like try catch or match case for Python. So it just checks the action, and if it's 1, it does this one. If it's 2, yada yada. And this is like the default. And up here at the top, I actually imported a Java package, so it has a lot of interdependency with Java. So yeah, that's my program. Hope you liked it.